Welcome to the Gamma Brief. I'm your host, Alex. If you're new here, the Gamma Brief is an experiment. I'm using a layered generative AI pipeline to reliably capture market data, economic events, and structural mechanics, and then turn all of that into accurate, actionable briefings every day. As always, this is market intelligence and not financial advice. Let's get into it. Thursday, March 26, 7 a.m. Eastern, ES futures are trading at 6,594. Yesterday's geopolitical relief bounce is already fading as elevated volatility warns of structural fragility. If ES holds above R1, dealers will be forced to chase the momentum higher. The Gamma regime is absolute negative with a net X magnitude of negative $11.2 billion. There's no Gamma flip level today. The market is operating in absolute Gamma. With the VIX elevated at 27.31, expect momentum-driven price action. The neutral zone sketches widely today. The call wall sits at 6,800, representing dealer Gamma resistance, while the put wall is positioned at 6,500, acting as dealer Gamma support. Spot is currently pinned heavily toward the put wall, sitting just 94 points away, compared to the call wall, which is 205 points distant. The 113-point expected move reaches down to 6,481, mathematically projecting a potential test or breach of the 6,500 put wall. Crucially, ES spot at 6,594 has already cleared R1 at 6,593. R1 is now below price, making the first active resistance R2 at 6,630, 35 points above spot. Yesterday's relief rally driven by US-Iran negotiation progress evaporated overnight. Headlines shifted back to escalating Middle East tensions, with OECD warning that the conflict could derail global economic recovery and spike inflation. This reversal pushed ES futures lower and drove the VIX back above 27, signaling that structural risk remains firmly intact. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we face initial and continuing jobless claims. A significant beat could validate inflation fears, accelerating the negative Gamma selling pressure toward our lower supports. Conversely, a miss could spark an immediate momentum bid. Later today, Fed speakers Cook at 4 p.m., Jefferson at 7 p.m., and Barr at 7:10 p.m. could pose secondary headline risks. With absolute negative Gamma amplifying moves, prioritize convexity and directional breakout structures over income generation. The primary plan triggers if price holds above 6,593. Negative Gamma will amplify the upward momentum, forcing dealers to chase the breakout towards 6,630 and potentially the 6,800 call wall. Use debit call spreads to capture the continuation with defined risk. The alternative plan triggers on a break below 6,522. If this early session support fails, negative Gamma will accelerate a reversal towards the 6,500 put wall. Avoid naked short premium strategies today. We are in absolute negative Gamma regime that favors aggressive directional trend conditions. The trigger to watch is the R1 level at 6,593 to dictate the immediate momentum bias. The regime wants to move. Position for the break or stay small. Level set, bias defined. Good luck out there. If you want to see more of the Gamma Brief in your daily rotation, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. Standard disclaimer applies. This is market intelligence, not financial advice. Derivatives are high risk. Always trade your own plan.